Oh yeah, we're on the way. We're basically in Baltimore for the Dill Pickle Festival. It's called the Big Dill. I'm going to eat pickle ice cream. I'm certain of it. All right, so we're here at the Pickle Fest, the Big Dill Fest. The first thing we got is the original Pickle Shots Bloody Mary right now, okay? And we're gonna try this. It's so good, it tastes like a pickle. Did you think of anything else? But they did put a bacon strip in here and a pickle, so it's lit. And what was really nice is they said if you follow us on Instagram, we'll give you a free shot. They gave us a free shot, but it's got an oyster in it, so I'm disgusted. But I'm gonna do it for YouTube. I'm 100% gonna do it. I'm just not happy about it. Let's give their pickle a try. I know what I just said. I might buy a jar of these. I might have to. Do you want to try this here Bloody Mary?
Yeah.
How is it? Is it nice?
It's salty and homemade.
Hell yeah. Oh yeah. All right, next up. There was also a pickle martini. I'm gonna put that's a gem. This, who knows? All right, give it to me. This actually smells better than the other one. I could drink this all day, every day. It would be bad because I think there's a lot of vodka in it, but this actually tastes better than the Bloody Mary, and the Bloody Mary is really good.
And they were all $5.
And it was $5. Wow. I actually want one of these.
Yeah?
Yeah, this is really good. Did you try it yet?
No.
That's so fucking good.
It's like you're just tasting literally straight juice.
Yeah, it's pickle juice and spices.
Literally, yeah. That is dangerous.
It's super good.
You know how people say like fruity drinks are dangerous?
Right.
This is dangerous. Yeah.
Spicy pickle stuff is my favorite, and we're in the thing. All right, you ready to do this disgusting shot? So this disgusting oyster pickle shot. Gross. My God.
Oh man.
That was actually really good.
That
How are those
oyster,
oysters?
So good.
Disgusting. I'm gonna be real with you. I took my oyster out and I gave it to her. I hate oysters. I think they're disgusting. But the brine that they were in, delicious.
It was spicy, but like not too spicy.
But to me, oysters are giant loogies, and I don't like that.
Oh man.
On to the next pickle thing. All right, we're on to the next thing, and it's, for some reason, a chocolate-covered pickle. Just look how great it looks. Why would you do this to a pickle? This is gonna gross me out, but we're gonna try it right now. Here we go. Oh, Lord. Okay. Honestly, it just tastes like chocolate.
I was like, do you love it?
You don't really taste any pickle at all. It just kind of tastes like chocolate.
Really?
Which I assume is a good thing because I don't think pickles and chocolate work. But this just tastes like chocolate. You can't just eat the chocolate. Why'd you take a bite like that? Just tastes like chocolate. That's all I tasted.
It's very weird.
Pickles. Chocolate pickles.
Would I pay $5 for that again?
No, you would never pay. You don't just randomly buy chocolate covered pickles. I'm dying. You'd have to be at a pickle festival to get a chocolate covered pickle. So, hey, no, I'm all right. On to the next one. Get it out. Get it out of here. All right, next we got this Capri-Sun pickle pouch. It's got like an entire jar's worth of pickles in it, so I'm confused at what I'm gonna do with this because I'm probably not gonna eat all of these right now. So this is weird. But hey, why not? So. Maybe I've had too many pickles today, but this kind of tastes like orange juice with salt. It's good. It's supposed to be jalapeno dill or jalapeno garlic dill. It's really good. I gotta try this pickle though. Let's get real. Oh man, look at this monstrosity. Okay. Definitely get that garlic. I'm really not getting any jalapeno, but it's super good. This is going back in the pouch. And this you would just carry around and drink this because it's salt water in a pouch. It's so lit. Hey, your turn. Yeah, doesn't it taste kind of like sweet?
It reminds me of like fruity sauerkraut.
Yeah, it's sweet. It's real sweet.
Yeah, but also vinegary.
I'm about it though. It tastes real good. It's like mustard.
I don't like that. That's not great.
She's not a true pickle fan. Be prepared if you come to a pickle festival to have a lot of salt. It's so great. Okay, to the next pickle item. All right, we have the Crossroads Bistro pickle egg roll. Everybody's been eating this lately. We've been seeing it everywhere. So we're gonna try it right now. Hold on. The pickle is awesome. It tastes like a Reuben. I don't know why. Whatever else is in here. It's really good. It tastes fantastic.
That's hot. But it's really creamy. Like that cheese in there. Super good. That egg roll is crispy. That's super nice.
We also got the buffalo chicken wrap with pickles. Usually I wouldn't review this, but hey, it's got pickles on it, so let's do it. So good. It's exactly what you would want a buffalo chicken wrap to be. Okay, so this, the first time I said it, it wasn't that great. I thought it was like a buffalo chicken tortilla thing. It tastes like great pickles and buffalo wings. Crossroads Bistro is doing it. But this, they put so many pickles in it that, you know, it tastes way too good to be normal. I'm sad because I'll never have it again, but I'm savoring it now. That's it. That's it. On to the next pickle thing.
Over now. Okay.
All right. We're eating Deena's Coladas, mac and cheese, bacon, ranch. What's this called?
Pickle bacon ranch.
Pickle bacon ranch mac and cheese. And you know what? It's go away. Flies, man. I've been seeing this on the gram and it looks real sick. Okay, this may sound insane, but hear me out. It's almost like they did mac and cheese with bacon ranch and put pickles on it. And that's exactly what it tastes like. I don't want to fool you guys. That's exactly what it tastes like. I'm not saying it's not delicious, because it absolutely is. And it's not dry at all. Like the mac and cheese isn't dry. But it's literally mac and cheese with pickles on it. Let's just be honest. It's completely fine. I like it. Yeah, no, this is good. Yeah, no, this is good. Don't talk to me. Just leave me alone. All right, here we're at the last thing of the day, pickle ice cream. I've been waiting for this whole time, okay? Ever since I was a child, Oscar the Grouch and his weird pickle ice cream that he ate in his trash can. Yeah, I've been waiting for this. So now Quinn's Ice serves pickle ice cream. We didn't get the cotton candy that comes with it, but yo, that's weird. Because it's like ice cream, immediate ice cream, right? You're like, oh, it's vanilla ice cream. Nope. Took a bite of a pickle. It is melting everywhere. Dog, it's not bad though. Oh man. Imagine eating something and going, nah, that's not good. I'll eat it again. I'll do another one. Yeah, that's pretty good. Call me a pregnant woman. Bro, pickle ice cream's lit. Ew, why is this good? There's like little chunks of pickles in it. God damn it. It's just spitting everywhere. Respect the lime green chucks. All right, it's pickle day, all right? We're eating pickle ice cream out here. Good God. Yo, it's so good. Your turn.
Oh my God.
It's so good though.
It's so weird. You hate chunky ice cream.
I do, it's gross.
And there's
But this isn't bad because
pickle pieces in
it's
here.
chunks of pickles,
It's
so I'll
like
let it go.
Salted vanilla ice cream. It's like I keep wanting to eat it because I feel like it's like salted chocolate.
Yeah,
Like you don't think it should be together, but then you keep trying it and you're like, that's pretty fucking good.
I like that comparison. Pickle ice cream.
Oh my God.
Oscar the Grouch wasn't wrong.
But then that vanilla comes through and you're like, that's pretty good.
Right.
That's pretty good. It's like it's a twofer. It's a twofer deal. I feel like my face shows otherwise.
That's
My
what
face
pickle
is
ice
like-
cream does.
My face is like, you probably shouldn't. But my mind is like, it's not bad.
It's completely fine. Okay, in closing, is there such thing as a bad pickle? Is there such thing as too much pickle? I would say there is such thing as too much bad pickle. But if you get the good pickle, the right pickle, it's never too much. That's what we call love. No genders. We're gonna eat this weird ass pickle ice cream. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.